21st. We're only a few days away from Christmas. Have you completed all of your Christmas shopping? I've done all of my shopping. I have wrapped 2 gifts. So I'm gonna get the rest of the gifts wrapped over the weekend. I just left the liquor store and picked up we needed some vodka. I was gonna get Bailey's because I love Bailey's, but the associate in the store suggested a different Irish cream for me to try. So I'm gonna try it and see if I like it. I'm all about trying things. And then what else do I need? I picked up 2 little nips of coconut rum, and I also got a small thing of Saint Germain because there's a cocktail that I want to try, and I didn't want to buy the full bottle just in case it's not something I'm going to be drinking. It's called the Coco Chanel, and I was gonna try it with peppermint, but I'm like, I don't know why. You're too close. You were too close to my car. I'm about to back up. Just wait. So yeah, I'm gonna try this cocktail, but like I said, I wanted to try it with peppermint vodka, which I still might do it. I might try 2 ways. We'll see. But I'm at Food Lion right now. Got to pick up a couple of things, and then I need to go home and fix this charcuterie for my candle making party with my girlfriends. All right, so I'm home now. I have on my ugly Christmas sweater, but I also have on my Grinch t-shirt. I am getting ready to make this charcuterie real quick. But in the car, I told y'all I'm trying a new Irish cream instead of Bailey's. This is the one that I'm trying. So we'll see how this tastes. They're all out of the Christmas tree cakes. I'm so disappointed. So I had to get these little birthday cakes, which they are the same. It's the same cake. It's just not as festive. And I told y'all I was going to make this drink called the Coco Chanel. So I got 2 of these Parrot Bay coconut rum. I got 2 of those. And 1 small bottle of Saint Germain. I'm going to make this later though. But I'm going to put this in the freezer so everything can get cold. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the wine fridge. And I know I said I wasn't like serving food because we're having a charcuterie. But I did pick up 2 little bags of wings. I got the hot wings and I got barbecue. Just in case. Because if we're going to be drinking, I want them to have like a little more substance on their stomach. And I did get some like dinner rolls to go with it. So let me put this stuff away, wash my hands, turn on the oven to get that oven warmed up. Well, it's kind of early. I don't need to put those in the oven. I don't think they take long to cook in the oven. Let's see. Oven, they take 26 minutes. So I'll put them in the oven around 1:30. And after that, after I put all my trash away. The TV is on. I got Christmas music going soon, so I'm probably just gonna focus the camera down on the tray and montage this part of the video. These grapes from Lidl, so good.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do we need those? You eat bread and butter pickles? Okay, I'll save them for Christmas.
I mean, just because I don't, but they mine.
Yeah. I ain't seen those.
Because at first I had just got the glass, and then later on I seen that.
Remember when you were here?
And I said about water, so, and I needed to get there. No, because it ain't for like 20
So
minutes.
that's her cranberry French 75.
But
How long is it when you're lit though?
I just
No.
a little way too.
The Dream.
Oh, she has a baby by the dream.
And then each place setting has the glue dot, a wick, a stirrer so that you can put your oils in, and then this is the stabilizer for the wick that will sit over top of the candle jar. And every place setting already has that.
I can't believe the other little girl laid down with the ass little.
Darling, look at you in my mind. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. The fire's burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms, that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this, it's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. A magic holiday. A magic, I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. You make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday.
Best friend. Y'all know this one right here.